Hi guys, in today's video we're going to review a fun way to use Bart AI by simply utilizing a much more playful prompts. In this example over here we're going to ask Bart AI to create a word puzzle with a theme of cars. In the previous examples and case studies, guys, you want to make sure you watch the videos on our channel. We went through business, finance, e-commerce, dropshipping. We created the newsletters with Bart AI. So go ahead and watch these videos as well. Look what we have right now. Gear up for this car-tastic crossroad. Okay. All words relate to cars and automotive world. Difficulty medium. See clues across. A device converts to fuel mechanic energy 7. What do you call a car with no doors? Answer key. Can you can you make it more organized? Let me see if they can actually present the whole information in a better way. Because really, if you play with a lot of people, right? Okay, now we got it. Layout. Okay. Looks like Sudoku. D is down, W is across. Clues. C1. Engine powerhouse. Okay, 2. Navigation tool. Okay, 3. Behind the wheel. Very nice. You see, guys, if you're with friends and you want to play games, this is how you can go about it. Very useful, very interesting, and definitely will kill a lot of time. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.